Are you constantly battling your love for salty treats while trying to shed some pounds? Well, what if we told you that there might be a savory solution to aid in your weight loss journey? Enter olives, the salty and tangy fruit that not only enhances the flavor of your favorite dishes, but also holds the potential to support your weight loss goals. Salt often takes the blame for various health issues, including heart disease, high blood pressure, and weight gain. Amidst this cautionary tale, olives emerge as a promising ally for those seeking to lose weight. Packed with essential nutrients like monounsaturated fats, fiber, vitamin E, and antioxidants, olives offer a unique combination that can help curb hunger and potentially contribute to weight loss. How olives facilitate weight loss. Olives come bearing gifts of healthy fats and fiber, which play a crucial role in promoting satiety and aiding in weight management. These small yet mighty fruits have been linked to weight loss benefits in studies focusing on monounsaturated fats. Research has shown that diets rich in monounsaturated fats may lead to significant weight loss, reduced fat mass, lower body mass index (BMI), and decreased waist circumference. Additionally, olives boast a low calorie density, making them a satisfying and nutritious snack choice for those watching their weight. Considerations when including olives in your weight loss regimen? Before diving headfirst into a bowl of olives, it's essential to be mindful of factors such as the type of olives, their ripeness, curing methods, and salt content. Opting for green olives, which are rich in antioxidants and lower in calories, can be a wise choice. Portion control is key when enjoying olives as a snack, with experts recommending a moderate intake of 5 to 10 olives per day to keep sodium and calorie consumption in check. Choosing fresh olives over canned varieties can help you steer clear of excess sodium and unnecessary calories. As you navigate your weight loss journey, consider incorporating olives into your meals and snacks to not only elevate the flavors but also harness their potential benefits for weight management. Whether you enjoy them as a standalone snack or as a flavorful addition to your favorite recipes, olives can be a versatile and helpful ingredient that supports your quest for a healthier lifestyle. So, next time you reach for a snack or meal ingredient, remember the humble olive and its role in aiding your weight loss efforts. By making mindful choices and savoring the goodness of these salty fruits in moderation, you can embark on a flavorful journey towards achieving your weight loss goals while nourishing your body with essential nutrients and antioxidants.